Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be relaxing, well, my mom's going to be relaxing my hair. I've been wanting to do this for so long and I'm finally doing it. Let's go.
It's a mess.
So this is what my hair is looking like. It's dirty, it's just knotted because I've had my hair in braids for like 6 weeks. So yeah, this is what it is.
And you know you can't relax clean ear.
Yeah. Yeah, so you can't relax clean hair,
clean
which is
ear,
why.
that will burn.
Yeah.
That will burn up before it process. So what you gonna do to it now after you relax it?
I want to cut it into a style, like a short Megan Good near-long 90s hairstyle.
Yeah, but you go get ear just every time you go.
No, I'll do it myself.
The ear, cause
no, I'll do it myself.
when you have short ear, you have to go hairdresser. Like maybe every 2 weeks or so.
It doesn't grow that fast.
What? No, but you have to go get it styled. Unless you're gonna just brush it back and just wear it like that.
I'm not gonna brush it back. I'm gonna have a nice short hairstyle.
The thing is, you don't know all your ear, if it have a process, if it have a burn quick before it process, if it have a start burn before it process. You have to watch and
yeah,
see.
hopefully it doesn't do that.
Or we have to leave the front to last on here.
Yeah.
That part is very sensitive. Yeah?
Yeah.
The other part here.
Show them what you're applying.
Blue Magic.
Yeah, Blue Magic,
Okay.
you know, like Vaseline.
Yeah.
To my hairline so it doesn't burn.
That's how we do it back home. So that's how we do it. No.
And we're using the ORS Olive Oil hair relaxer.
Yeah.
So it's this one, and I'm using normal strength.
The next one is gonna be too strong.
Yeah, for my hair.
Yes, it have to be this one. And you don't comb it, because if you comb it,
yeah,
the cream are gonna be burned.
To support it not up when me comb it out.
You put the cream. That's all we do it.
So the cream I gotta soften it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Once this cream start process ear,
yeah,
the ear gets soft.
Okay.
Then
oh yeah, and I get straight so when washed it.
Then you comb through it. When you start to comb, you comb it. The second time you comb, when you comb through it, you can apply cream again. If you go through now and just decide if you just comb the whole ear and apply the cream, it will burn the ear because the scalp will just get sensitive and everything. You understand?
Yeah.
So you don't comb it. You just apply. Once it start get soft,
yeah,
you start comb it and you can apply cream again. And you don't paste the root. Well,
I can feel it.
some people when they do their ear, they paste the root.
Yeah.
Before they comb through the whole hair. So you find out that the root of the hair paste. By the time if you process, you have to comb through it to start burn.
Yeah.
Because you had the cream to your root too early.
Yeah.
And your root is very sensitive, you know. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, your root is very sensitive. So you have to be careful with the root of the hair.
I've had my hair done before. You guys don't know this because I didn't start YouTube yet. But I had my hair...
So you never have no video with YouTube with the ear relaxed?
No, because I started YouTube in...
When the ear natural?
Yeah, in 16, yeah, in 2016. When I was at uni. The same year I went to uni, but during the summer because I started in July. And I went to uni in September. And that was the year I decided to go natural. Yeah, that was the year I decided to go
so you don't have no video with your...
I have video of my hair relaxed, but it's not on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. So throughout high school, from year 7 to year 11, my hair was relaxed. So all that time, I had no idea what my natural hair looks like because I always worn it relaxed. So when I was in college, in second year of college, I decided that I wanted to grow my hair out. So for all that time, my hair was relaxed, and I decided to grow it out in college. And then, well, sixth form college. And yeah, so what I did was I grew up the roots and then I cut off the ends that were relaxed, and then I had like a little afro, and I've been wearing it like that ever since. And then yeah, I was growing it out, wearing wigs, wearing braids and all that. And then last year, September, I did another little chop. So I cut some of my hair off because I couldn't be bothered, it was getting too long, and I'm not a hair person, so I don't like doing hair, doing different styles and like taking a lot of time to do my hair.
Will you think of to grow it out again?
I really don't like long hair. I said I really don't like long hair.
Yeah, but the thing is that you relax first and then you grow it out. So what make you grow it out then? Because you relax.
Because I wanted to see what my hair looked like. Because I've never seen my hair from when I was like 11 or 12. I didn't remember so I didn't remember what my natural hair looked like from that point. And then so I just decided.
That's what I say. If you think have to relax, if you grow it out again.
Maybe if I get bored of it. Hair's something to have fun with, guys. But don't damage it too much.
No, relax mine.
Yeah, but yours was relaxed as well.
My one did relax.
Yeah, my mom had relaxed hair and it was really, really long. And she had a bob. I just feel like I need a change, you know? I'm 23 this year.
That's the thing with ear, it will go back down.
Change, yeah. I want to look different. And I don't even, wigs are they're just too much work. I got 2 and I just...
The 8 wig.
Yeah, I don't even wear them. I don't know why people wear them. And whenever I have them on, I just feel like my head is like in prison. Like it's so restricted. Have you ever slept with a wig on? The only thing I don't like with wig, my fear is that will blow off on my head. Yeah, but if I glue it down on me, I tell you, I went swimming with this wig in Jamaica and it didn't blow off. I went swimming, guys. And first of all, touch me like no ear, I just had dip on my shoulder, so. You can buy short wigs. That's the thing. Even me braid my ear, I always catch it up like it just always in one. Like look on my day, I braid my ear this style, short side and. Yeah, but I'm saying you can buy a short wig. Yeah. So what's the problem? Like but me don't like the ear for my neck, but like for my shoulder. Then get a short one up here. But imagine spending like £200 or £150 on a wig, and you have to keep on like a comb it and a brush it and a wash it, and I take out glue to the frontal. It's just long. Like I don't know. I get it. Obviously, people are sending it to you for free, and then you promote it and all that. No, like, you're not everybody get it for free. Yeah, no, but I'm saying most people that you see that are wearing it on Instagram and stuff, when they're getting it for free, you're promoting it, and they switch up hair so quick. You never see natural hair because they're getting it for free. But normal people like me, yeah, you can't be spending your money £150, £200 on a wig, and then you have to maintain it because you just spend one bag of money on a wig, and now you're looking at the wig like I have to look after you. Yeah, but you have to. But if some people love the wig so much, Tashika, they have to take care of it because I don't wear like. Yeah. And it's not everybody have much ear anyway on their head. And some people don't confident to wear the natural ear, and they feel like they're much better than the wig. Yeah, get me. Yeah. Like me know me confident to wear my natural ear. Me don't really care about wig or nothing. You understand? So it's not, some people it's not confident, it's like you want to change or you want to look nice. Well, you know some people can't go without wig, Tash. I know. Just a wig, you never ever see them hair. Just like makeup. This quarantine we bring out a lot of natural hair. Yeah, that's what somebody put on Instagram the other day. People that's so they are going then put eco styling gel, wigs, makeup. What do you need it for? You're at home. You're not going nowhere. In your house. Anybody will want to give their ear a break now can. Yeah. And I really are going nowhere down. This is the second time when I go through it. And it's easier to comb out. And while you comb out here, you apply the cream. That's how me do it. And you find out so you do it like this. Find so you do it like this better. So I comb it out for the 3rd time. Okay. Because the end, you see the end, Tash? The end is the problem I hear when you do relax naturally here. What happened to the end? Because the end coarse. So you find out so the root process before the end of your ear. On here it says fine hair 10 to 11 minutes, medium hair 12 to 15 minutes. It doesn't say 20 minutes, it says 12 to 15. Yeah, but me say whenever I start tingle, that's where you wash it out. You can watch your dip on this. Yeah. Because everybody is different. You understand? Yeah. If you hear little growth, everything relax already and you have like little growth in a root. Yeah. Yeah, it can stay for 10, 15, 20 minutes. Yeah. But because you're natural, it will take longer. So you just put a steam cap over it. Yeah. And when it starts tingle, you can't be here no more. Then you just decide to wash it out because you know in the long down. Yeah, you don't want your hair to burn out. Yeah. Alright, Tash. You so much time to comb to your hair? Like 4 times. But you can start to feel the texture down. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it like 4 times because you're natural. So this is my hair so far. It's been processed. My mum just applied layers and layers of the relaxer in my hair. and yeah, I'm feeling good. But look at this, guys, look at all the hair that's come out of my head. This is a lot of dead hair, a lot of split ends, a lot of, you know, having your hair in braids for weeks and weeks. This is what you're gonna get. I'm gonna put on a shower cap on my head and then wait for it to process properly. Then I'm gonna wash it out and show you guys what it looks like. I feel like that whole process took about an hour and it hasn't even started tingling yet, because we're going to leave it in until it starts to tingle, because yeah, that's what my mum says, so I'm going to listen. So can you believe that all this time I was talking to you guys and explaining what was going on and my microphone died? I had no idea, but I decided that I'm going to do a voiceover so I can explain to you guys what happened, because this was a fail. So at this point I had the relaxer in my hair for about 45 minutes. Bearing in mind it says you're only supposed to leave it for 15 minutes before you wash it out, but my mum said I should leave it until it starts tingling, and I couldn't feel a thing. I've had my hair relaxed before and you usually get a tingling sensation before you wash it out, and yeah, it wasn't happening to me. So my mum decided to apply some more relaxer in my hair, and then I waited for an extra 10 minutes before I decided to shampoo and condition and just wash out the relaxer. When I washed it out, this is what my hair looked like, guys. It looks like an afro, and I was shocked because I've had my hair relaxed before, as I just said, and it looked no way like this. It did not look like this at all. It looked laid and, you know, relaxed. But anyways, I got my mum to blow dry it like properly because I wanted it straight. She asked me if I wanted to straighten it, and I said no, we're not doing that. I want the relaxer to do the work. We're not straightening my hair. So yeah, we just went ahead and blow dried it, but all in all I was very disappointed with the way it looked. This is not the way it was supposed to turn out. I just feel like the relaxer was too weak for my hair. Is my hair coarse? Is my hair tough, guys? Because I'm pretty sure my hair is very short and it wasn't that tough, so I don't know why it didn't relax properly. But I got the relaxer from eBay and I got normal strength, so maybe I should have got extra strength, but I did leave it in for so long. I thought we would have relaxed by now, but you know what, I feel like in 2-3 weeks I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna use the extra strength relaxer to relax it, and hopefully that works because I want my hair to be blown straight. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like. I was very disappointed, didn't like it, and yeah, if I'd have known I wouldn't have done it. I would have used a different relaxer or a different method or something.